Hi everyone, this is your Sussex County Chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Derek today. Derek competes in a ton of different, what do you call them, I guess, like weekend warrior races?
Obstacle course races.
Obstacle course races, okay. He just did the Great Inflatable Race. He's in here today because he's got right hamstring pain and both of his calves are bothering him. Low back's doing really well. Originally he came in here for that, but it's improved a lot. So we're gonna do a little bit of work on the hamstrings and the calves today, just loosen everything up. Is that everything?
That's everything.
All right, we're gonna go on your stomach first, face down.
You got it.
I like these shorts, man.
You like those?
Yeah. You compete in these?
Actually, I have.
Yeah. How do you ever get like rips and stuff in your clothes and everything from all these obstacles? Like, do you go through a lot of like outerwear, I guess?
I get rid of the t-shirt right away. These shorts, I don't know how, but they survived the wash pretty well.
Very nice. Very nice. So are you done with races for the season?
Not at all. I got one more month.
One more month. And how many races are you doing in that month?
I think I got 4, if I'm not mistaken.
And what will that total be for the amount of races you did?
22.
22 races. And your goal was how many?
20.
Perfect. That's great, man. Are you gonna try to beat 22 next year?
Not at all.
You kind of good with where you're at.
Yeah, my credit card doesn't like it.
Yeah, they're expensive.
They are.
But you did say before we were filming that the last one you did, the Great Inflatable Race, was a benefit.
Oh, absolutely.
And who did that benefit?
It went for Union High School project graduation.
Nice. Very nice. That's early. Getting ready for project graduation. It's only September.
They're a big high school, though.
Are they?
It's not like Sussex County, so...
So that was for his hamstring there, loosening that up. When's your next race?
Not next week. Actually, the first weekend in October.
First weekend in October.
I want to say it's October 6th.
So you have a pretty good break then.
Yeah.
Nice.
And most likely I'll become senior right after that race.
Yep. We see quite a few people who do those sorts of obstacle courses.
And it's a tough race too, so I'll definitely be seeing you.
Yeah. Which one is this?
Tough Mudder.
Oh, Tough Mudder.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's no joke. That was like, to me, one of the first obstacle courses I ever heard of. Were they one of the first to come out?
I would have no problem saying that.
Yeah. And when did you start getting into obstacle courses?
My cousin and I started talking about it. He posted on Facebook because him and his fiance, now wife, did a few together. And I was like, you know what? I want to do that because my cousin Scott's pretty much my best friend. So we spoke about the races, we spoke about the endurance, and I kind of got jealous that he was doing those. So I jumped in along the way, and it's been 2 years, and I absolutely love it.
Nice.
Met some great people along the way. I'm going to meet more in the future as well.
Do you find that like the same people go to these things? You see a lot of the same recurring faces?
Yes and no. It's not just like the people you see all the time. You see a lot of people that you wouldn't suspect to be there.
Right.
People are like double my size are doing that, and those are the ones who really enjoy just seeing them go out of their comfort zone.
Just have some fun with it, right?
Absolutely. That's what it's for. If you're not doing that for fun, I don't know what you're there for.
Yeah. Did you end up running that Askin Hooker 5K?
I wanted to, but I was really short that day, so.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I did that last year. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful race.
Yeah, and that's a benefit too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to go. I got a really bad cold that day. It was pretty rough. It was a long day, a 4-day weekend for me, and I was in bed for 2 of those days.
Ooh.
It was such a bummer.
Gotta love those holidays.
Yeah. Well, it's better than, having to cancel on patients.
Yeah.
And, or just kind of toughing it out. It's not really fun to be working when you're not feeling well.
Oh, absolutely.
Alright, go ahead and breathe in and out. Good. And again here. And one more here. Good. A little tight up in there.
Oh, absolutely.
Breathe in and out here. And one more, in and out. Good. And relax this best you can. So Derek's back did not move as well as I would have liked. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a little light mobilization rather than just slamming on him. It's not really fun for anyone to force stuff to move. So we do this and then we'll do another move afterward to get more motion in there. Pressure's okay?
Absolutely.
My one buddy loves this. Opens up the joints, gets light pressure in there, and just gets the joints to move better. Some people don't like any of the chiropractic adjustments. They just like the muscle work that I do. So I do have patients who come in here and I just do this on them and do the muscle work, and they're happy. They're out the door. Let's go on your back, face up.
You got it.
Okay. Go ahead and slide up a little bit higher.
You got it.
Perfect. I'm going to adjust his ankles just to help with the calves. Relax this leg as best you can. Good. And relax again. Are your feet ticklish?
Nope, you're good.
Nice. That's really difficult. When someone has foot pain and their feet are ticklish, it's like, okay, well, what are we going to do here? Relax this.
That ankle I've rolled and sprained a few times over the years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When was your most recent sprain?
Probably right in January, actually, thankfully.
And relax this. Was it on ice?
Nah.
Just sprained it?
Yeah.
Relax this. Good.
Yeah, I think it was one of the few weekends that didn't snow. Yeah, I sprained it.
And relax this here. Good. Bend this knee. And then rotate toward me here. And relax this best you can. Go ahead and breathe in. And breathe out. Let this leg drop. I got you. Go ahead and breathe in and out again. Good. Good. Go flat on your back. And cross your arms like this time. You're going to go ahead and breathe in. We're going to do this on your back. We're going to get your mid-back to move. So go flat on your back again. Good. Cross here. And then breathe in, breathe out, and chin to your chest. Good. There we go. Bend this knee. So that's a different way to adjust the mid-back. Some people call it like P to A. Some people call, or A to P, sorry. Or they'll call them anteriors. That'll get more motion in there using the body weight of the patient. Relax this. Let this drop. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. Go flat on your back. So what do you do to train for these obstacle courses?
It's a lot of running on the roads. I belong to Pro Method Fitness over in Cedar Knolls.
Okay.
I'm the personal trainer over there. We do weekly sessions over there. Granted, I've been MIA for a few months, but unfortunately when you work, it kind of happens.
Yeah. You only have so much time, right?
Exactly.
Any headaches at all?
Thankfully, no.
Relax your head. I'm going to check motion. Yeah. This. Good. All right, man.
Excellent.
You're all set.
All set.
Good work. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have the table come up for you. It's kind of fun.
Okay.
So stay on your back.
I like it.
And so we have this table in here which goes up and down for patients. It's really helpful for people who can't get up and down on the table without this assistance. You know, we have people who come in here with like walkers and stuff, and that's really the only way to get them on and off the table. So thanks for doing the video, Derek. How are you feeling right now?
I feel 100% better.
Good.
And
Very
walking
good.
in, I was kind of struggling getting in the door, so
Okay.
it's good to have my body back. Thank you.
The struggle is over. Good. Very good.
Till we meet again.
Thanks everyone for watching. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.